Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making for you 2 delicious cookies that you're going to want to try. Today is part of a cookie collaboration and it's hosted by my sweet dear friend Christy over at Christy Osborne. I will leave a link to her channel in the description box below, so after you finish watching my video, make sure you go over there and check out her video. And also I will leave a playlist of all of the people that have taken part in this cookie collaboration. If you don't know what kind of cookies you want to make for Christmas, then today is your lucky day because you're going to have a lot of different options to choose from. So let's go ahead and get started making these delicious cookies. All right, this cookie is called a brownie batter crackle cookie. And you will need an 18 to 20 ounce pack of brownie mix. This Ghirardelli is the best brownie mix you will ever eat. So I have a big box that I got from Costco. So I'm using one of those, 3 eggs, a cup to a cup and a half of all-purpose flour, about a half a cup of powdered sugar, more if you need it because that comes at the end, and a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, which I use olive oil. So let's get started. All right, I have my oven preheating to 350. So to a mixing bowl, I'm gonna add the packet of brownie mix. I'm gonna add the 1/3 cup of oil. Like I said, it calls for vegetable oil, but I'm using olive oil. The 3 eggs. And then I'm gonna start mixing that together. And once I have it mixed, I'm gonna start adding the cup of flour. And since I'm using a 20 ounce bag, the recipe calls for 18 to 20 ounce package. So since I'm using the 20 ounce, I may only need the 1 cup of flour because you want it to be firm and not sticky. So clearly this consistency I'm not going to be able to form into a ball. So I'm going to just keep mixing this up and start adding the flour. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to scoop, which I wish I had the bigger scoop than this, but it broke, so I have the small one. I'm gonna scoop the dough, hopefully it's thick enough, into the powdered sugar, roll it around a little bit, and put it on this mat. Now, I just, like literally earlier, bought this silicone baking sheet from TJ Maxx. I have to take these to a neighborhood Christmas tree lighting tonight, so hopefully this thing does not fail me. But anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and start dipping this into the powdered sugar, put them on here. I did forget to mention in my intro that both of the cookies today, I am using packets of brownie batter mix. So it's awesome that you can use brownie batter, the mixes, for just things other than just brownies. So make sure that you stay tuned for the next cookie. Now I'm gonna put these in my 350 degree oven for 11 to 13 minutes. I just took that batch out and I did this batch. So that makes, how many? 24, and I still have some batter left. These look cool. All right, so I'm gonna let them cool for maybe about 5 or 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna put them on a cooling rack. I also figured I'd give you a little update on this silicone baking mat, but it just comes right up. I didn't even have to use a spatula. I also got this from TJ Maxx just to try it, because I don't ever have parchment paper, but anyway, both work real well. Okay, these cookies were really good. My husband wasn't sure if he would like them because brownies are usually so rich, but he kept wanting to dig in. But they are so good and they are not overly sweet. So this is a definite make again cookie. All right, here's another easy recipe using brownie batter mix. I'm gonna make a caramel brookie. So it is, and this is the super easy way. I'm using cookie dough, brownie mix, 1 egg, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil or olive oil, whatever oil you use. Also a 1/3 cup of water for the brownie mix. And then I decided I had some of these caramel bits, so I'm gonna use those. This is optional, but this is what I'm gonna do. So let's get started. All right, I have my oven preheated to 350. So you're basically gonna put your cookie dough into mini muffin cups and you're gonna spread them along the side. Now, I use this little thing from Pampered Chef, but I found some on Amazon, I'll link below, that would work the same. But basically get a scoop of cookie dough, pop it in the little cup, and just press it down until it gets onto the sides and kind of up. Can you see that? Kind of up the sides of the muffin tin. So I'm going to do that for all of these. And don't forget to go check out Christy's channel. I just want to thank her so much for hosting this collaboration, but she gives you lots of just homemaking mom videos, baking, cleaning, shopping hauls, you name it. Now I'm going to mix up the brownie batter. So just according to whatever the package directions are, I happen to be using the Ghirardelli brownie mix, which is the best. So anyway, this is the package instructions for this particular brownie mix. So just make sure you check whatever it is you're using. So the 1 egg, 1/3 cup of oil, and 1/3 cup of water. And I'm just gonna mix that up real well. All right, so now I'm just gonna add not even a full scoop of the brownie batter mix, which might be kind of hard because I don't want it to overflow. See, that may be too much even just that. But now, obviously, if it comes above the little cookie rim, it's fine. You just don't want it to overflow the cup, the muffin tin cup itself. So I'm just gonna keep filling these cookie cups with the brownie batter. All right, what is your go-to brownie batter mix? Let me know in the comments below. Now for the caramel portion, I have these little caramel bits that I used, or that I have in my coffee bar, my hot cocoa bar, which if you have not seen that video, I will link it in the description box. But anyway, you just want to just put 2 or 3 of these down in here like this. And that's it. So now I'm gonna do these. Now we're gonna put these in here for 11 to 13 minutes. I took them out of the oven after 13 minutes, and this is what they look like. Are they the prettiest things in the world? Maybe, maybe not, but anyway, I'm gonna let them cool for probably 10 minutes in here, and then I'm gonna move them to a cooling rack. Now that they've cooled for a few minutes, I'm just gonna use the knife to spin them around, just to kind of loosen them up from the cup. And then I'm gonna put them all on the cooling rack. This is the finished product, and they may not be beautiful, but they really do taste good. All right, tell me, which one do you think you're gonna make? I know they were both just delicious. In fact, they're all gone now. But anyway, I really do appreciate you coming by. I wanna thank Christy, our host of this collaboration, and make sure that when you go to her channel, you tell her I sent you, show her a little bit of love, subscribe to her channel if you're not. But anyway, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by. And if you like cooking, meal ideas, home decor, home organization, and shopping hauls, then you need to make sure you click that subscribe button and click the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos. Make sure to leave a comment below and give this video a thumbs up because it does help me out with YouTube. But anyway, I will see you in the next video. Bye.